Hey folks, I'm Yash Makan, a full stack engineer here at Hushh. Today I'm really excited to showcase our latest demo of Hushh Wallet application. First, let's understand the core concept on which Hushh Wallet works. So imagine that the loafers you usually wear to your office have gotten a bit worn out. You decided to purchase a new pair on your way back from a nearby Gucci store. Now, when you enter in the store, the sales agent greets and starts to know about your preferences, your clothing taste, and based on that, the agent checks their own catalog of available products and show the ones that you might like. They show you the first product and you're gonna purchase that instantly and get away from the store. Who am I kidding? It's a tedious process of multiple hit and tries for a sales agent as well as for the consumer in finding a perfect match. And the reason for this is that there are multiple factors that the sales agent has to understand, like their budget, the size, their preference. But even with that information, it is hard for the agent to identify the user's needs, which causes this friction while shopping. Now, you being frustrated, head out of the store and went to a Louis Vuitton store nearby in the hope of finding the perfect loafers for you there. And guess what? The exact same question answering happens again. The agent trying to get as much information as possible to give better recommendations for a successful purchase. Okay, wasn't the whole process and experience annoying for the user as well as difficult for the agent? Well, now allow me to give the same example but with one addition. The Hushh Wallet. With Hushh Wallet installed, the user can easily add the Gucci or Louis Vuitton brand card directly in the app. The brand card will ask questions generated by the state-of-the-art Hushh AI that was earlier the job for the sales agent. The questions generated are tailored for the users based on their personal data and overall preference. Now the user can even attach other preference card. For example, I can attach my coffee card which already has information of my favorite type of coffee with the Gucci card. Now I went to the Gucci store and I can easily share my preferences by simply scanning the Hushh QR code available in the offline store. Immediately after scanning, the available agents can be informed with my preferences. And guess what? Just after few minutes, one of the guy came with hot caramel coffee because I earlier attached my coffee card with the Gucci card. Now the agent can serve me much better, enhancing the overall user experience for the user as well as the agent. Now, without asking me much questions, the agent exactly knows my preferences based on the card info and can easily check the product catalog from the phone itself using the Hushh Wallet for agents. Now that enhances the user experience and it helps the agent by increasing overall sales and brand reputation. Our goal is to make the experience better and to disrupt this market. Now, the example I gave is just the icing on the cake. There's much more happening that's gonna help them. One of that features is adding gamification element and incentivizing the user. At Hushh, we believe that data is crucial, and today most companies use this valuable user data for peanuts. The consumer, being the king, never gets the actual value for giving their data to the companies. Therefore, we introduced Hushh Coins, a way for users to get real value by giving their data. So when you add the Gucci or any other card, you will have option to attach your data like images of the shoes you own, what you like, any other document or invoices. You can even scan receipt when you're done with the shopping and attach that receipt as well. So for uploading all this info, users get incentive which can be used later for more offers, exclusive events by the brand, enhancing the overall experience. To make it one step further, we have introduced a feature called as Receipt Radar. Receipt Radar is a feature which can basically synchronize with the user's email inbox and can automatically check for receipts, purchases, etc. to better know about user's preference. So basically, what the agent was recommending based on a 2-minute conversation earlier, we will now fetch the past 10 years of the purchase, and using AI can make informed decision if the product will likely be purchased by the user or not. It goes without saying that each email that we are processing, the user will in return get equal and fair amount of incentive as coins. Since we are talking about the user's PII data here, let's also cover the safety and privacy measures we ensure while building these products. Alright, let's get serious. At Hush, users' privacy and safety is one of our top priorities since we are dealing with the PII data. Therefore, worry not. All of your receipts that you're sharing with us in Receipt Radar never actually reaches us. That's right. All the inbox data will be safe in your phone and in your phone only. So all of the PII data is never stored and captured by us in the remote servers. It is locally stored in an encrypted format in your phone. So we do store the overall insights generated by the AI from the receipts in our servers, but that is stored using end-to-end encryption as well. You must have heard this in multiple apps, and Apple highly uses this technology to gain customers' trust. Being inspired with a lot of these companies, we at Hush ensure that all the essential user data is stored in encrypted format in our servers, so even we or anyone except you won't be able to view your data.
Well, now with advanced data protection, we're giving users the option to keep that key only on their devices, which means that even if an attacker were to successfully breach the cloud and access all that data, they'd lack the key to decrypt it.
So you'll never see that photo, Craig.
We do not want to see your photo.
Well said. Now, are we just storing all of this data for the agents? Actually, that's just a part of it. So our job is also to organize all this collected data in a neat way so even the users can keep a track of things. Using our fine-tuned Hush AI bot, you can even chat with receipts to get custom information. So I can basically ask if I spent more on shopping than the last month, how much I spent on the coffee since last year, and many more questions to better understand their data. Alright, now I believe you understand the benefits of using Hush Wallet as a user, but what about agent? How they can use this app effectively? Alright, this is interesting. Now, once user installs the brand card, the user can actually set a minimum bid value for their information. This means user set a minimum price that agent has to pay to access users' information like shopping receipts, images, invoices, which kind of products user likes, and so on. This information includes the AI Insights report generated, which isn't free for the agent as well, and the agent needs to pay the user defined minimum value. So I can share my card with the sales agent. He can make the payment of the minimum bid value that I defined, and then the agent will be able to view all of the content and data that will be uploaded by the user. So based on that, agent can easily know the user's preference, taste, their budget, and much more information. And also they can know the available product and what products will most likely be a great fit for the user. This will increase the sales for the brand and sales agents and even it will enhance the user experience. The experience can be much more improved by using one of our feature called as Hush Chat. Hush Chat enables sharing a card, scheduling a meeting between user and agent, and making payment much more easier. So basically now, when agent gets user brand card, he can be proactive and start the conversation with the user regarding these purchase requirements via Hush Chat. The agent can even share the products, lookbooks that the users may like based on the AI matching algorithm, helping the agent. And also, the agent can schedule an online or a walk-in meet for the user from the chat interface as well. Currently, we have integrated the Google Meet for the online meeting, but soon we will shift to custom web RTC servers for providing in-house video calls meet directly inside the app. So these are a few of the features that we have integrated right now in the Hush Wallet, and we are aggressively working in integrating more features and enhancing the application experience for users as well as agents. If you have any feedback, please let me know.